Hey guys, welcome back to new video, and in this video we are going to talk about why we are failing to build anything. As you know, on this channel I always talk about building something of your own. I always say in the end of every video, keep building and keep exploring. So mostly on this channel I talk about building something. So in this video we are going to talk about that, why me and many of you guys are failing to build anything, because this is the common problem everyone is facing right now. Whatever things I'm going to talk about, these are my hurdles, but also you guys will definitely relate to it, because 90% people are like me. They have big dreams but with no support, with no resources, with no money, with no backup, with no proper skills. So we are going to talk about all this stuff, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's start. So firstly, let me introduce myself. I'm Minhaj, currently of 19, doing my bachelor's degree from Raza University with computer science. This is my academic status as of now. But from the beginning, I wanted to build something of my own. And from last 2 to 3 years, I was trying very hard. But till now, nothing felt in my favor. Nothing worked in my favor till now. I tried a lot of things. You guys don't know what I've tried, what I've built, but I will definitely tell you about those stuff when time will come. So when I was trying a lot of things, a lot of problem came and still coming. So now let's talk about one by one. So suppose you get any idea and now you want to work on. You want to build a prototype. You want to build an initial working prototype for that. So build that prototype, initial working prototype, you need some people. Or either you can build by your own self also, but it is going to take huge time for you, because then you will have to learn everything. Suppose I want to build a platform where, let's say, I required front-end work, back-end work, and let's say there is a use case of some machine learning, or suppose I want to integrate some extra services on that. So as a solo developer, you can't do everything. You need some people, minimum 2 or 3. If you'll go and do alone, it is going to take huge time, because either you can code front end, back end, or you can easily implement your APIs, your payments and other services as well. But integrating machine learnings and other stuff related to AI, these are very hectic tasks. And in implementing all those stuff simultaneously in a single project, solely, is going to take a lot of time and a lot of hard work. And still you can't figure out which thing is going to be wrong and which thing is going to be right. But if you'll have right people, one people will handle your AI stuff, one people handle your backend and databases stuff, one people is totally focusing on building UIs, building your front end, then this same thing will be very easy for you. But the problem comes here when you will reach to people who know those skills. Either they will ask for money, or either they will totally deny you, that they don't want to work with you. And the people that will agree to work with you, either these people have not right skills, or they will work but they don't fully focus on your work. They said yes because you are asking to them. And some will work because they want to show this work in their portfolio, in their resume. Many type of people you will see. And many of them will totally deny you, that they don't want to work with you because you don't have anything to give them. You don't have any previous background, previous big thing that you have done to show them. That's why they won't work with you. Yes, the money. If you'll start building anything, you need some initial money. Suppose, let's say a simple example. Suppose I want to build a platform. So for that, initial money will be of your domain, your hosting, and also if you are using any other services, third-party services, then you will have to pay for that. So that initial money will be of between, let's say, 5 to 10,000 minimum. This is the initial money you need to have to start any project. And just remember, don't listen those famous YouTubers, those money gurus who says you don't need any money to start. As of this era, as you know, nothing is free. Whenever you will go to build anything, you need some initial money, either for your project or either to pay your freelance developer or your teammates or other stuff. Same thing I always felt whenever I start working on any product. Mostly I stop because of money, because I'm just a college student and my background is also not so strong. Whatever I do, whatever I work on any product, I mostly try to handle with my pocket money. And as you know, the parents in India, the mindset of parents of India, in India mostly people focus on degrees. Either you will become doctor, engineer, and also mostly people are focused on government jobs. And these all because of Indian parents, the mindset of Indian parents. As I said earlier, I'm doing bachelor's in computer science from Raza University. My parents is paying over lakhs for that. But if I'll ask them some amount of money to build some product, to run any store, they will totally deny me because they don't want that I should do this. And I am also not capable to make them understand. So I just never try to say anything to them. Also, I have not courage to say anything to them. So this is one major reason I and many of you guys also stuck because you don't have right amount of initial money to start any product. Parents are good at their place. Their decisions can be wrong, but their intention can't. But we should also remember we have to cross the line we are walking for, because these things, whatever we walked on, are the stuff that gave us kick to be happy. And parents is good at their place. We don't need to ask everything to them. When we guys go for clubs, smoking, we never ask them. So why we should worry about working on our projects or doing extra stuff? We should not worry about that. This is one major problem I am facing. I go to college daily. College timing is 9:30 to 5 p.m. and mostly time go there. And not only that, after that teachers gave us assignment that we have to complete on time. That's totally good. I'm not blaming anyone, but I don't get time to work on my thing, my product, my projects. I don't get time to visit the events where I should go. I don't get time to attend hackathons where I should attend, because in our college there is 70% attendance criteria and you must have that 75% attendance, otherwise you won't be able to give examination of that particular subject. And in our college people are mostly teaching theoretical based syllabus. People are not teaching so skill oriented. I'm not blaming anyone, but what industry wants, how industries are actually moving. Even we guys are not in race, but remember, I'm not blaming anyone. My college is very good. So these are some major problems I'm facing, and you guys are also might be relating to this. Now let's talk about, problem is everywhere. Everyone is facing problems, but in this world people don't care about your problems, about your story, about how you are struggling. People only care about what you are working on, what you have built as of now. People only see your ultimate product. They don't see your initial hard work, initial capital, initial struggles, whatever you have faced. So see, just remember one thing. I'm not good at my academics, and many of you guys are also not good at your academics. And I know one thing. People won't care about my academics. People won't care about how I am talented or how I am lazy at my education. If you see past entrepreneurs, past people that have built something great, that have achieved something great, we see those people by their product, not their academics, not how they are good at their speaking skills, how good they are communication. Yeah, it matters little bit, but if their product is good, if they have built something great, people don't see how they are talented. People don't say what the grades they were getting in their college. People don't talk about their mark. They talk about their product only at the end of the day. So the main thing is all about building the product, which is the main thing, because that product, whatever you are going to build, will take huge time and huge steps, huge processes, and you have to get things done anyhow. And suppose if you build that product successfully, people don't care how good grades you have, how good marks you are getting in your assignments, or whether how bad you are in your educational journey. It's all about your ultimate product that you have built. At the end of the day, we just have to take care about the ultimate product that you guys are building, that I am building. It is the product only that is going to speak more louder than our words. The product will explain everything to everyone, whatever they will ask to you. You just need to focus on your product, whatever you are working on. So that's it. These are some stuff I wanted to talk with you. And just remember, to build something, there will be need of some people, there will be need of some initial money, there will be need of some right amount of resources, because we guys are engineers, and engineers only builds product, not company. There is one famous quote, you might be heard of this: engineers build product and salespeople build company. So there will be always some need of people in your team, then only your product is going to work. Because I'm also working very hard from last 2 to 3 years and nothing went in my favor, nothing worked ever, and the reason was all I said earlier. But as you know, every processes you go through teaches you a lot. Those learnings will help you a lot to build something next. And those learnings is going to be with you for your lifetime. So yeah, this is all about this video. Go and build your dream product, because this world is only take care of your product. They don't care what you are good at. They don't care what you are failing to do. They don't care about grades. They don't care about your marks. They only care about your services. They only care about your product. Just go and build. Don't doubt yourself. You are not good at your communication. You are not good at your grades. You are not good at your academics. Just build that dream product for you, whatever you are thinking of.